Question 6. Aluminium chloride exists as Al2Cl6 molecule at room temperature when heated to a high temperature. AlCl3 molecules are formed. What are the arrangements of the bonding pairs of electrons around the aluminium atom in the two forms of aluminium chloride? So remember, in AlCl3, it has three bond pair and one lone pair. And in Al2Cl6, if you remember, okay, this was the dative covalent bond. This was the dative covalent bond. Basically, it had two dative bonds and six covalent bonds. So what is the shape of AlCl3 when you have three bond pairs and one lone pair? Three bond pair and zero lone pair. Sorry, three bond pair and zero lone pair. क्योंकि aluminium is in group three, right? So zero lone pair. So ultimately, that would be planar. That would be planar. If you remember the electron pair repulsion theory, so it's planar. Planar. You have two options, A and B. And if you talk about this AlCl3, ultimately you have four bond pair and zero lone pair, so the geometry would be tetrahedral. That's why option B is the correct option.